fun games with water balloons. Our first game is called Red Hot Lava. We put 7 red water balloons inside of our pool, and then we're each going to try and throw water balloons and try and get it in the pool without touching any of the red hot lava balloons. Whoever does that first is the winner. You ready?
Yeah!
All right, you go first. Okay,
should I just throw it?
You should throw it. Oh!
Even that was okay.
Please grab another balloon, and now it's my turn. See if we can avoid them. Oh, I think I got the red one. Oh, flying on the side. Oh my gosh! Now it's a little boat.
You're still alive. You're still alive. Okay,
Oh, there's a whole bunch. Hang on, there's a whole bunch on this side. We gotta even those out just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Hopefully I see this guy.
I think we can do it. You got it? Oh yeah, now there is a nice open spot. I think you did it! High five! Way to go! This game we like to call Ready, Aim, Throw. We are going to get ready. We can use bow and arrow, or if you don't have one of those and you just want to use one of these little water squirters, you can use that too. The object is that you're going to aim your target, whether it's the arrow or your water, and if you on the very first touch hit one of the water balloons inside of the pool, then you get that water balloon and you get to throw it at whoever you want. So it's kind of, that's the throw part. It's open fire!
Yay! I'm gonna shoot my brother.
You shoot your brothers after it. All right, so you get it. So there's basically a winner every time somebody hits a water balloon. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, in there, but it didn't hit any water balloons. Back to Grant's turn. We're gonna circle those balloons so they're a little bit easier to get.
Wait!
So it has to do it on its first point of impact. So even if it hit it afterward, unless it hit it right when it first came in, it doesn't count.
Please!
I'm gonna try and throw my water balloon out if I get it. It's coming for you, Grant. This time it's gonna be a winner. You're out the shot that this is giving me getting water. Finger? I'm gonna get this water balloon and then you're really gonna do that. There we go. It hit one! Yeah, you better run. Take the shot. You didn't even get it wet! You didn't even get wet! This game is a timed team game. We're gonna pair up together. One person's gonna throw, the other person is going to hold a colander over their head. You're gonna try and throw it into the colander. Every time you do, we get a point, and the person inside is gonna get really, really wet. Do you want to be the thrower, or do you want to be the colander head? The thrower. That was a quick decision. All right, here we go. By the way, for older players, a smaller colander could be better, but with younger players throwing in, I'm gonna use a big one. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's ready. I don't know if I'm ready, but I think he is. Here we go. Oh! It successfully stayed. There's one. We're gonna leave it in there. Oh no! But we got one. 2, 3. Oh no!
That's out.
4. Oh! 5. We've got 10 seconds left.
Oh, yes.
3, 2, 1. Oh, look at how many we got. That's so many. And these didn't pop, but there's one thing that you get to do. For every single one that's in here, you get to throw them. Pop them right over my head. All right. We only have 3 left for the last 3. We're doing it nice and close. And I'm soaking wet from the first few. at you a little bit too, huh? Last one, I think there's only one more.
Yep, that's all.
Yep, I think I'm nice and wet. Come here, dude. I'll give you a big hug. Oh, you're hot too. All right, if you enjoyed these water balloons, these water balloon games, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye-bye. Awesome. Okay.